And that's the sound of the African Queen and my sister Shezzie. And that track is entitled Catch the Boat. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Shezzie, and much love and respect every time for real. And thanks for forwarding the tunes my way, you know. Beautiful sound frequencies. Well, welcome to another volume of Tunes and a Talk, your intercommunal sound service. And it's all about the music, people, and just enjoy. And today, I'm just sending some beautiful sound frequencies, as always, from a beautiful location, a beautiful place, beautiful energy, beautiful vibes. And for this volume and future coming volumes, what I'm going to do is just play tracks from very close friends of mine in the music industry, musicians, producers, writers, you know, and just supporting and sending the loves. So in the meantime, just enjoy and welcome once again.
When I look around, there's so much and go a little deeper.
And that's the sound of Celestine, UK Bristol-based artist, very good close friend of mine. Celly, how you doing? Long time. And Celly, you still haven't hooked me up with some tracks, an album, so I'm still coming after you for that. But anyway, you know this is one of my favorite tracks still, and this is Go a Little Deeper from Celestine. And correct me, you know, Celly, if I get this wrong, but Celestine was a winner from the Stars in Your Eyes program years ago. I think that's the show. I mean, it's one of those talent shows, something like that. But I know she was a winner still. But anyway, winner for Stars in Your Eyes or whatever. Celly, you're always a winner, you know that. And keep on making your beautiful sound frequencies, as I call it. So, as I'm saying, I'm just playing tracks from great friends of mine in the music industry. And just hope you all enjoy. The next track is from a very good producer, you know, he's originally from the US, and he's done production and remixes for the likes of people like Donnell Jones, Erykah Badu, and, you know, I could name a few more. But I'm going to play a remix he did for a well-known artist, a very international artist, and I'll say just let this artist's soul and may his soul rest in peace. And this is from a very great producer and also a great hip-hop lyricist, Astrosnare. I refer to him as Lolo, you know. So big up yourself, Astro, big up to the family. And I just want to say, keep on keeping on, my brother, and keep on doing your thing. And I need not mention the name of this artist's remix. Definitely you'll recognize the voice. Enjoy Astrosnare.
My life will never be the same, 'cause girl, you came and changed the way I walk, the way I talk. I cannot explain the things I feel for you, but girl, you know it's true. Stay with me, I feel my dreams, and I'll be all you need. Feels so right, girl. Let's search for the perfect love all my life.
and you definitely heard correctly. And that was the sound of the one and only legendary Michael Jackson with the Astrosnare remix of Rock My World. Yeah, so rest in peace, Michael. Much respect to Astro for that remix. And I have to say that was an exclusive. I had that years sitting on and playing occasionally. And I'm sure there's not much of this out there. So I'm very, very honored to be playing this. So much respect to Astrosnare for doing this Michael Jackson remix. And just keep on keeping on. And as I say, it's about the beautiful sound frequencies. And you just have to enjoy.
I need love, you need love, we need love. What's the problem? Okay, he needs love and she needs love, and there's no way you're gonna stop them. Yeah, it's a stupid mess. It's the 21st century and who to guess? There's no apple, there's no bow and arrow. We all just got a pin Cupid. Yeah, it started off innocent, messing around with the silly things on the internet. I wrote on the wall, she wrote on my wall. Now we acting familiar like we spoken before. And man, this laptop is ill. Next thing you know, she on my laptop for real. And I ain't talking about Dr. Ill, cause she's an awesome girl, the type you got to feel. Okay, so we go on a date. 2 weeks down the line, everything going great. And one day she like, babe, I'm going away. Next thing you know, bro, we ain't spoken for days. And check this, she was over harsh. Her Facebook profile got a broken heart. Not even a text saying this is the end. Change the Facebook status and I'm single again. Like, really? I need love, you need love, we need love. What's the problem? Okay, he needs love and she needs love, and there's no way you're gonna stop them. Yeah, it's a stupid mess. It's the 21st century and who to guess that there's no apple, there's no bow and arrow. We all just got a pin Cupid's neck. So I'm on dating direct, making requests like send me a lady with breasts. Maybe just a sexy lady with legs. Spend all day thinking about the kind of lady I'll get. A whirlwind romance in a days. Got to know her with a brief glance at her page and her interest blood. Got me like damn yo. Says she digs hip hop, plus she loves Nando's. I think I met my soulmate. Link like this, guaranteed to go the whole way. I gotta hit this honey stat. If it ain't true love, the site will give me money back. Plus she oh so hot, oh no what, she a pro with Photoshop. Yeah, and once I got her to my flat, it's the age-old cliche, opposites attract. Think about that now. I need love, you need love, we need love. What's the problem? Okay, he needs love and she needs love, and there's no way you're gonna stop them. Yeah, it's a stupid mess. It's the 21st century and who to guess that there's no apple, there's no bow and arrow. We all just got a pin Cupid's neck. And when I think about how things have changed, nah man, it's not right. All these relationships I see is strange. Nah man, it's not right. My great-grandparents were alright, but my mum's already been divorced twice. Now she being called mum by someone else's daughter. I'm just a bit stunned, is there something in the water? And think how we live now is slightly reckless. Time for love, I ain't got time for breakfast. Steady on that grind for that next promotion. So forget emotion, cause it's what everyone's trying to do. How these sites got cash to advertise on the truth, and I'm trying to close my eyes when I'm seeing the signs like love guaranteed and they're meaningless lies. But when you go to sleep at night and you're by yourself, by your side, you wanna go on the website, you wanna go get the light, you wanna write it for tonight. That's what the chicks say, right? So get down with me, get down with me, yeah. It's my motherfucking dog, man.
I just gotta say this. Matter of fact, I gotta come out on the stage and say this. A lot of people think that hip hop is dead. And what a lot of people don't realize is that real hip hop Positive hip-hop, true hip-hop is still around. Hip-hop started out in the streets of New York. They rocked parties. They battled, but it was verbal, never physical. B-boy crews battled. Back in the day, old school tap dances, we had challenges. And it was how we used our art form to express ourselves. Whether it was competition, whether it was camaraderie, we used our art form to deal with it. It's still out here.
Yeah, and that's the sound of Chima Anya and a track entitled Cupid's Net. I know I'm going to show you the connection. The track I played before was a production, was a Michael Jackson track, Rock My World, with Astrosnare's remix. This track, Chima Anya's Cupid Net, is also produced by Astrosnare. So there's a whole lot of connection, yeah. And I'm just, as always, sharing nature with you. You know, I'm visited by a bumblebee. You know, there was a bumblebee earlier on also. I've got butterflies flying around and just the essence of nature. And that's what I'm trying to bring to you. And just like I said, butterflies. The sun is shining. The clouds coming over. But hey, we're going to keep on keeping on. Mixing the sound frequencies with nature. And my next track to you are from two great friends of mine. And this is a remix. And big up to Mr. Benn and Blackout JA. And this is a track entitled Police. But as you know, Mr. Benn, you know I love Magic Fly's remix. So I'm going to drop the Magic Fly remix of Mr. Benn Police. And this feature my hometown and Jamaican compadre, where we've rock stage together also. You know, I can tell you some stories with Blackout JA. Whoa. Kicking off monitors off stage when he's in element, but that's another story. Big up Blackout, enough love and respect every time. So, Mr. Benn and Blackout JA with Police, and this is the Magic Fly remix. Enjoy.
Police!
And that's the sound of Mr. Benn featuring Blackout and the Police with the Magic Fly, and this is the 7-inch remix. Now I'm gonna play another Blackout track, and this was done in 2001. Yeah, and this track featured a lyricist called Blaze, and Blackout, when Blackout did this track, he came around and gave me the original, and he gave me the master, a cappella version and all that. And at the time, I was heavily, really deep in the music, meaning I've also produced stuff. I've done production under different guys, and I've written songs for people also. Yeah, but I just kind of keep my thing low key, and I put as much as I want in this industry because it can be a bit of heartache in many ways. And this is one of my last work because I decided if I'm going to do music, I want a live band. I love live stuff. But anyway, I did this remake of Blackout's track Right Now. And I got to say, Blackout, I don't know if you remember this, I preferred my version. Not because I did it, but it's actually nicer to me than the original. So just saying. So here is Blackout featuring Blaze and the track called Right Now. And this is the Soul's Liberation remake.
Yo, 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 philosophy, and you never bow down for no vanity, and you're proud of your own nationality. Put your hands high, no apology.
Girls ready for go move it.
Right now.
Some hardcore music.
Right now.
Dance and prove it.
Right now. Right now.
Good boy ready for go party.
Right now.
You and your shawty.
Right now.
Oh lordy darling.
Right now. Right now.
New discovery, brand new philosophy. We love the energy. Right now. Sweet, sweet melody. We love the remedy. People up anyway. Right now. Pop out the legacy. Burn out the enemy. People are tell away. Right now. No for them a follow away. Dance and call away. Money they feel all away. Right now. Girls ready for go move it.
Right now.
Some hardcore music.
Right now.
Dance and prove it.
Right now. Right now.
Good boy ready for go party.
Right now.
You and your shawty.
Right now.
Oh lordy darling.
Right now. Right now.
Music coming for satisfaction. Me nah go ramp when me want to judge. Me and my girl explode like a bear. Watch how she moving at the sexy tech. All of the girls in the new fashion. We have on the way. We have on the way. Girls them a come from all directions. We have on the way. We have on the way. Up on the world, new selection. Music connect the real connection. All of me girls in a silent pattern. We have on the way. We have on the way. Girls ready for go move it.
Right now.
Some hardcore music.
Right now.
Dance and prove it.
Right now. Right now.
Good boy ready for go party.
Right now.
You and your shawty.
Right now.
Oh lordy darling.
Right now. Right now. Yo, from a progression, philosophy, and you never bow down for no vanity, and you're proud of your own nationality. Put your hands high, no apology. From a progression, philosophy, and you never bow down for no vanity, and you're proud of your own nationality. Put your hands high, no apology.
You ordinary, dancing stingery, gone infinity. Right now. This one no mockery, broke like mockery, with no apology. Right now. On animosity, you know agony, music a power way. Right now. Dance hall prophecy, give the majority, come feel the energy. Right now. Girls ready for the move it.
Right now.
Some hardcore music.
Right now.
Dance and prove it.
Right now. Right now.
Good boy ready for the party.
Right now.
You and your shawty.
Right now.
Oh lordy darling.
Right now. Right now.
Blackout J.A. Blaze. We just made them know, sir. We are bound them deep up with ways. Ha! Boom! Chop! Oh lordy darling. You like funny. Road boy with a chop on the body. Ha! Blackout J.A. Blaze. We just tell them to change them ways right now. dancing, grooving, proving, Jamaicans, hey, ha, Europeans, hey, English, ha, Americans, Japanese, ha, the world, hey, no war, peace, dance, hey, I would just tell them this.
Yeah, and that's the sound of Blackout, J.A. featuring Blaze and a track called Right Now. And that was a remake I did back from 2001, and this is the Soul's Liberation remake. And my next track to you is from my ever lovely musical sister, my partner in crime, one of my partner in crime, Mim Suleiman. Yeah, big up M. Yes, enough love to you and the family. Shout out to Maurice also on production. And I'm going to play a track from Mim's sophomore album, the first album, Tungi. And when I say I hold that album dearly to my heart, my soul, I do, you know. Yeah, really love that, you know, first album. The rest too, but that first album was the key to everything, man. And keep on keeping on, my sister. Big up yourself every time. And yeah, Maurice, keep on doing your thing, man. Dropping them beautiful, beautiful productions. And this track is called Bibi Na Mpu from the legendary Mim Suleiman.
Uchukue jamani chakula hicho, fanyeni watu wale. Fanyeni jamani chakula hicho ili watu wale. kutengeneza wawa na chukuchuku meki na kachumbari kidogo kwa mbali. Mpenzi bibi, mpenzi bilioni, mapika chakula chileo wapo jikoni, mapika chakula chileo wapo jikoni, mapika chakula chileo.
Yeah, and that's the sound of Mim Suleiman and Bibi Na Mpu from the first album Tungi, and Maurice Fulton on production there. So yes, Mim, yeah, looking forward to album number 6. Yeah, keep on doing your thing, my sister. Yeah, man, and big up to the family every time. And before I play my final track, as always, you know, occasionally I throw a question in some of the volumes when I'm doing it. And I'm in nature. I'm really surrounded by beautiful breeze, beautiful creatures, insects, you know, the wind, just the skies. It seems as if it was gonna rain, but you know what? I say whatever will be. It's shining. And I want to share that with you all. So my question to you is, do you think you were created by the essence of nature? Do you think that you were created by the essence of nature? Yeah? Think about it. Do you think you were created by the essence of nature? That's my question to you. And my final track is from one of my very, very, very good friend, like a brother also in the industry. And you're a great singer-songwriter, musician, international artist also, and a very humble guy and a kind person. And there you go, as I said, the sound of nature. How you doing? Yes, yes. He's just saying hello, you know, he's a part of the crew. And yes, I want to say big up to Courtney John and the entire 7 Long Lane, you know, entertainment agency, everybody, you know, just much respect and keep on doing your thing, my brother. And this track is from his latest album, Ecosystem. You know, check it out, Courtney John Ecosystem. And some beautiful tracks on there, you know, great production and just some great lyrics also. So, as we say, one love, universal love. Be well, stay well, you know, keep well. And as always, my saying, take the time to be kind to each other, people. Do take the time to be kind to each other. Here we go, Courtney John and Jah Love is Waiting. Enjoy.
Cry no more, you're no willow. Lead the way, the rest will follow. Straighten up like an arrow, 'cause stars are born, and you are one. In a while you will know, empty words throw no blow. Jah love is waiting just to see you pieces, make them whole. Plant the seeds and let them grow. Even on your darkest road, trust you're never alone. 'Cause all of us are here as one. In a while you will know, empty words from the blow. Jah love is waiting just to see